conference specially organized to give briefings of Carnival 2026. We are having presence of the Managing Director of GTDC, Sri Kuldeep Arolkar, the Deputy Director of Tourism, Sri Dheeraj Wagle, General Manager of GTDC, Sri Gavin Dias, and we are having Carnival King Momo for this year, Mr. Cedric Dacosta. So to start with the press conference, I request our Managing Director GTDC, Sri Kuldeep Arolkar, to brief you about Carnival 2026.
Good afternoon to one and all. Carnival 2026 will be organized by the Department of Tourism from the 13th to the 17th of February 2026. We will have the curtain raiser in Porvorim on Friday, the 13th of February 2026, followed by in Panjim on 14th Feb on a Saturday, 15th Feb Margao Sunday, and 16th Feb Vasco Monday, and the last parade will be held on two locations in Mapsa and Morjim on Tuesday, 17th February 2026. In all, the total prize money for this year is around 48 lakhs. The total infra amount is 1.04 crores for all the centers put together, and the total amount which will come to 1.53 CR. So center wise, I think Porvorim is around 19 lakhs and Morjim is 16 lakhs. Panji, Margao, Vasco, Mapsa, the total amount is prize money plus infra is around 29.35 lakhs. And this year, the King Momo for this year is Mr. Cedric Dacosta from Margao, and I request him to share his thoughts.
Well, a warm welcome to each and every one of you, respected directors, the Department of Tourism staff. I'm quite excited to be the King Momo of the Goa Carnival 2026, selected by the Department of Goa Tourism. It's been a great journey since the selection till this desk now where we are sitting, and I look forward towards having a very grand, vibrant and different carnival this year. The float parades will be different because we have various categories. We have selections for the floats, and the bar will be raised this year. Ever since I've been elected, I've also embarked on a journey of an outreach program where I have met various people from the streets, our traditional occupationists, Keltiatrists, and everybody, musicians. I've also coined a slogan, keeping in mind the carnival celebration. It is called Amche Goy, Amcho Lok, Amcho Carnival, Viva Goa, Viva Carnival. And I've also asked musicians to coin a good anthem for the coming carnival session. Many of them are in touch with me, and something different will be coming up before the floats, that I can assure. My humble request to all the people, because this is the carnival of your land, this is the carnival of Goa, to be as vibrant, as colorful, and as loud as possible. Come for the floats, participate, wear colorful attire, and let's keep the name of Goa high, especially among the tourists who will be coming to visit Goa for carnival. And let's have a grand celebration of the people. This carnival is of the people. This King Momo is of the people of Goa. And we have the pulse of the land in our hearts. And carnival is the heartbeat of Goa. So to all my media brothers, to everybody, I'll say a warm welcome to all the celebrations that will start from here on. And especially the carnival float parades in all the major cities, as Sir has just mentioned. So let's gather in more participation, more floats, and let's keep up the name of Goa high.
Thank you, Cedric Dacosta. You are the carnival for this year, 2026. Now we are going to release a carnival song. I request the team to release the carnival song. Thank you very much all media persons for attending this press conference. I am thankful to our Managing Director Sri Kuldeep Barolkar, Sri Dheeraj Wagle, Sri Gavin Dias and the King Momo Cedric Da Costa for attending this press conference. Thank you each and everybody. So now we are going to unveil the mascot of the carnival.
Bring it in the center. Alright. Center. Come in the center. Yes.
Okay.
This is the official mascot of King Momo this year. It has a relation to Goa because we see it in our own houses, on top of the houses, and it also imbibes the colors of carnival. So this is a special thing. I've also be roaming with the gumot, which is also the traditional Goan music instrument of carnival. Once carnival starts, we'll hear the gumot more and more. I've also imbibed the Kunbi kapod in the outfit for the first time. If you see the stripes on my gown, this is done by my designer, Mrs. Verma Dimelo, who's here. And this is for the first time I'm supporting as King Momo the traditional Kunbi kapod of the core Goenkas, Mud Goenkar आमचे आसा. तांचे कापड आहे आणि त्याका आमी वयर मान दिवपाचो थरयला एक फावटी. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you everyone. Right.
सीसीटीच्या कोड ऑफ कंडक्टाक लागून क्लॅश बी जावचो तुमी हे बी हे घेतल्या कार्निवल
कोड कोण आयलो
ना तुमी म्हणटा
येता तेन्ना
All media invited for carnival float parade. But in
पास